Hello econs! How are you all? Hope you are alright. Shall we start today's science class? Yes. Do you know we cannot hear on moon? Yes, we cannot hear on moon. What is the reason behind it? What do you think? I want you to keep thinking, okay? I will give you the answer at the end of the video, okay? Okay then. What did we learn in our last class? We learnt about magnetism, right? Magnetism is the force of magnets. Like Earth's forces gravity, like that magnets forces magnetism. So, does magnet affect other objects? Yes. Magnets affect other objects at a distance with the force called magnetism. That's what our big idea 2 even says, right? Objects can affect other objects at a distance. You're right. Now everybody close your eyes. Come on, close your eyes. And observe what can you hear around you. Open your eyes slowly. Did you hear something? What's that called as? Sound. What is that called as? Sound. How did you hear the sound? With the help of your ears. Ears were helping you to listen to that sound. What is sound? If I move a table, what will come? Sound will come. If I talk, sound will come. If I switch on the TV, from the speakers I can hear sound, right? Yes. And we like some sounds and we do not like some sounds. We don't feel comfortable when we listen to some sounds, right? Yes. Let's see few examples of sounds. See this instrument. If it is played nicely, we love to listen. If it is not played nicely, we don't feel comfortable, right? Yes. The speaker sound, we don't like it. Horn, if it is 1 or 2 times, it is fine. If we press the horn again and again, it will be sometimes irritating also, right? We don't feel comfortable, right? Baby crying, do you feel comfortable listening to this sound? No. See this. How is he making so much sound? See the man on the bed. How is he feeling? He's not feeling comfortable, right? He's not feeling comfortable. He's getting angry, feeling bad. He's not feeling comfortable at all. See the Donald Duck. He's cleaning utensils and making lot of sound. Lots of sound. Do you feel comfortable listening to these sounds? No, right? We feel like closing our ears. We say, no, I can't hear. We feel like closing our ears, right? But some sounds we love to listen, right? Our favorite music or favorite song, right? We love to listen to that. Yes. Birds singing the song, we love to listen to that, right? Yes. Bird sound is always nice. Cuckoo or choo-choo we hear in the morning, right? We love to listen to that. When we speak to our friends, do we like it? Yes, we like it. We love to listen to our friends' voice and things, right? Yes. When we speak to our grandparents, we love to listen to the stories and things what grandma says, right? Grandparents say, right? Yes. And waterfall sound, we love to see and listen to the sound, right? Yes. When we are in the school bus, if we are going to the school and in the bus, we listen to many sounds, right? Do you like it? Some sounds we like it and some sounds we don't like it. We don't feel comfortable, right? When your teacher is reading your favorite storybook, do you like it? Yes, we love to sit and listen to the story, right? When Mama reads our favorite storybook, we love it. We like to listen, right? We like that sound. We feel like, yay, like this girl, right? Yes. Now, how does the sound reach our ears? How does the sound reach our ears? Sound travels, because sound travels. How does it travel? Can you see? It's going from the speaker to this man's ear. How is it going? In the form of waves. Sound travels in the form of waves. Can you see? This boy is making a lot of sound here and it is reaching the ears. How is it reaching? In the form of waves. Yes, you're right. In the form of waves. You remember this slide? I told you in the starting? Yes? What is the secret? We cannot hear on moon. There is no sound on moon because sound needs some medium, air or water or glass or something to travel. Okay, that's why there is no sound, because there is nothing like this there on the moon. So there is no sound on the moon because sound needs medium to travel, air, water, something to travel. So there is no sound on moon. Okay, understood? Shall we do some reading now? Alright, open your science resource book, page number 26. Okay, keep your finger here. Keep your pointer finger. Let's read along. Okay, sound. Close your eyes and listen to the sounds you can hear. What are the different types of sounds? In your groups, discuss the different sounds you can hear. Have you ever wondered how we are able to hear these sounds? Yes, we hear through our ears. But how does it reach our ears? How does it reach our ears? Sound travels. Sound travels in waves. Sound is created when something vibrates and it travels to us through air. Look at the image. Discuss how sound reaches your ears. Now turn to page number 27. Keep your pointer finger on the first word, task. Discuss with your elbow partner. What are the different sounds in your classroom? What are the sounds you hear at home? How about the sounds while traveling in the school bus? Which sounds affect you? How do they affect you? I want you to think for all these questions, okay? What happens when you listen to your favorite music? What is the effect of that music on you? What do you feel like doing when you hear your favorite music? What do you think are the different instruments in your favorite music? Can you identify which particular instrument affects you the most or which one disturbs you the most? So you have to understand which sounds you hear nearby and which sounds you like and which sounds you don't like, what affects you and what doesn't affect you. Okay, now turn to page number 28. Keep your pointer finger on the first word. Reflect on these questions. Which sound affects you the most? Which disturbs you the most? What are the sounds you would like to hear in your class? What sounds would you like to prevent? In an A4 sheet, write the different types of sounds you like to hear and avoid hearing. Why do you like certain sounds? So I want you to reflect on and do this learning engagement. Okay. So today's learning engagement is write the different types of sounds you like to hear and avoid hearing. Also, write why do you like certain sounds. So you have to write different types of sounds you like to hear and avoid hearing, okay? Which you like and you do not like. Avoid means which you do not like and you try to avoid them and do not like to listen to them, okay? And you have to make a tabular column like this: sound of, like to hear, avoid hearing, reason. I wrote one example, birds. I like to hear bird sound and I never avoid it is my answer. Okay. Reason behind: because it is nice to hear. Because I like to hear and it is nice to hear. So this is one example I gave. I want you to write few more. Okay. Okay then. Till the next class, happy learning. Bye-bye.